Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E13. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and select Account. Now tap View Wallet button. And as you can see on the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, and manage your passes. Next, you can add new passes and cards, like loyalty, gift card, transit, and payment card. If you go into menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips. Tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage password manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.